Hello all, my name is Bharani Kumar. I work as a chief data scientist on multiple companies. I work as a technology advisor on a few other companies. And this is our YouTube channel. We exclusively work in the space of digital transformation, industrial revolution 4.0, in the space of cloud computing, Internet of Things, big data, machine learning on cloud, data science, AI, cybersecurity, and bunch of advanced stuff, ML ops, which is now fast picking up the attention of the world. As part of this YouTube channel, we aim to give a lot of value added videos to you all. Number one, people want to get into these buzzing professions, which will give them amazing salaries. Right. So I'm going to share a lot of interview tips and tricks, a lot of interview questions, and then answers with a brief explanation. Quick, you know, tidbits based on the emerging technologies and interesting algorithms on data science, etc. And we'll also talk about live projects. The one thing which is lacking in the industry is the work that you do in the companies and the education that you obtain. There's a huge gap. As part of the live projects, I'm going to explain the kind of projects that we have worked upon, me and my fellow data scientists. And in the practical world, in the practical setting, how do you actually handle a business problem? This is what you'll understand and learn. Thank you so much. And I would strongly recommend you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Not just subscribe, but also there'll be a bell icon. Click on that to be notified on all the YouTube live sessions that happen. Or each time we upload a YouTube video, you will be notified if you click on that notify icon. Thank you all so much and enjoy the YouTube channel. Thank you.
Very important thing is data collection using surveys. Many people say that, you know what, conduct a survey, get the data, or perform an experiment, get the data. So when it comes to data collection using survey, majority of them know that you can collect the data, but how do I collect? It's a big thing. First thing is you need to understand what problem you're trying to solve, the business reality. Say the business reality is that your sales are low. Okay, that's messy. Usually the business reality is very messy. Messy problem, business problem. From that business problem, you have to deduce the decision problem. So you conduct immediately, the moment you know the problem, you conduct cause and effect analysis. Cause and effect analysis, which is also called as fishbone analysis or root cause analysis. As part of root cause analysis, say you identified three key things. Product line is obsolete, hence the sales is low. Or the customer connect is ineffective, hence the sales is low. Or maybe the product pricing is uncompetitive, hence the sales is low. You come up with decision problem statements such as, should new product be introduced because the root cause is that product line is obsolete? Should advertising campaign be changed because the root cause is customer connect is ineffective? Should the product prices be changed? Should the product prices be changed because product pricing is uncompetitive? For each of these, you come up with research objectives. Should new product be introduced? Then for that, you have to use a verb and object. Verb is you want to determine. What do you want to determine? Consumer preferences and purchase intentions. So this is your object. Then what do you want to do research on? I want to determine What do you want to determine? Effectiveness of current advertising campaign. So determine is verb. This is your object. Should product prices be changed? So you want to do a research, determine what the price elasticity of demand and impact, right? Once this is done, you come up with constructs, right? Say, all these are examples of an educational institute. So for training enrollment, you think about aspects, right? You're coming up with a construct. Construct is training enrollment. For that, you're coming up with aspects. You want to do a research. From research, you come up with a construct. For construct, you come up with aspects. You thought about, say, time aspect, strength aspect, and constraint aspect. For each of these aspects, you come up with a survey questionnaire now, such as, I am most likely to enroll for the training program in. Which aspect is this addressing? Time aspect. How sure are you about enrolling for this program? That is strength aspect, right? And the one thing that most stops you from enrolling for the program, that's constraint aspect. So what are we trying to do? We are trying to ask questions, right? So aspects are usually one-dimensional. Aspects are usually one-dimensional. When you add responses of all these one-dimensional, you get responses to decision problems or research objectives, which are usually multidimensional. So from multidimensional, multiple aspects will be there, right, for a problem. So that's multidimensional. And then you're breaking it down into one-dimensional. And then for each one-dimensional aspect, you're asking a question. When you add those questions together, or the responses to all these three aspects, you'll get response to this construct. When you have response to multiple constructs, you'll have response to research objective and thereby the decision problem. Okay, this is data collection with respect to survey.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to be able to scale up your career in a big way. All the best for your future.